let's add a manual order to Postsale. Click the New button in the Order Actions menu at the top of the main orders grid. Enter the Ship To address information. Postsale predictively displays valid addresses as you type. Select the correct address from the list to autocomplete the fields. Then, click Next. Verify that the ship queue and bill queue addresses are correct. If needed, click Edit under either address to update it. By default, Postsale generates a sequential order number for you. Unchecked automatically generate an order number if you wish to enter your own order number. Select a store the order should be associated with from the Store drop-down menu. Manual orders don't have to be assigned to a manual store type. The order can be assigned to any store in Postsale, allowing you to organize your orders by sales channel, phone orders, business-related shipments, and so on. Complete the date, requested shipping, and status fields in the Order Details section. Next, expand and enter the pertinent information into the Items, Charges, Payments, and Notes sections. While not required, Postsale gives you the ability to enter as much detailed information as you need for the order. At least one shipment for the order is required. However, if you don't enter shipment details now, Postsale will create a shipment for you based on your default shipment settings. You'll have the opportunity to update the shipment details from the orders grid or in the dock prior to shipping the order. Once all of the order details have been entered, click Save Order. The order is added and displayed in the orders grid. Want more Postsale quick tips? Be sure to subscribe to the Postsale YouTube channel and to check out the Postsale blog.